So I have a problem with this Ultrasabers Obsidian lightsaber, and it's a little late at night when I'm recording this video, and I don't know, it's kind of a bad time for this to happen. At any rate, there's clearly a problem with the saber. You have the buzzing going on here, but the larger issue, in a way, is I just can't remove the battery pack, because the easy fix, to stop the sound is to remove the batteries, but it's stuck. So I've never changed the batteries on this saber before, but this is totally stuck. Usually you can just kind of, shake the battery pack out, but it's really wedged in there, you guys. If you have any suggestions, please comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Otherwise, I think I will just have to deal with this buzzing until the batteries die. I'm thinking that's the most likely scenario at this point. I'll just kind of put this far away from me for a while and maybe cover it up a little bit. But at any rate, have you guys had this happen to you, where you've had the battery pack stuck? And especially at an inopportune time like this, where there's a problem with the saber. But at any rate, I'm just a little upset by this right now. Kind of annoyed, but oh well, there it is.